Hello, it's Family Driver. Welcome to another video. Today I met with my friend Dom and we are going for a quick drive. It's a nice warm evening, so it would be a sin to not to go out and use that opportunity. But for now, let's just focus on driving for the next couple of miles. So we arrived at our first stop. We are stopping at Red Line. We are going for a short break. We want to see what Red Line has in stock, and then we're gonna go for another drive. Visit at Red Line was a bit shorter than I was hoping for because we activated security CCTV and we were told to go home. So we decided to find a nice road and swap our cars so we can feel how the modifications change them.
To be honest, the sound is not... It does sound different, but it's not louder inside.
I mean, I think it's louder when you like, if you go to second and go like to 6,000. Just floor it.
Yeah. It definitely feels more settled.
It does, and I think it gives you confidence even on in a straight line. On the bumps, it just feels better. Just before, I feel it was a bit wobbly when you pushed it.
Yeah, definitely feels.
Do you feel Bluespark?
No,
not really. Doesn't it? I can definitely feel it's the torque is there when you pull slightly better, but yeah, it's not aggressive at all. It feels very standard.
I don't think you was really pulling that much away from me. You were doing pulls in second and third.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I was doing the same. And I don't think I was. Maybe if we kept it going a little bit longer, but
I mean, even when I did my tests, I think the third gear pull, it's
you need to try my brakes. They used to be horrendous.
But yeah, there's no initial bite in them at all.
No, and there's quite a lot of travel.
Feels funny sitting on this side.
Not scaring you? Because it's not you driving.
Yeah, it's just weird.
It doesn't feel as jarring. Like mine, this Ferodo feels so much worse. This is quite smooth. I think when you're in gear, so in 6th, it pulls better than mine with the Bluespark.
Okay.
That's probably the torque. That's where I'm noticing it. Just, you know, at 2,000 revs.
Yeah, I guess like I said, it's very subtle. I would say it's very subtle in setting C, and apparently that's what it meant to be. It meant to be like stock but better, and I think it is. But it's not something you would say, wow, yeah, this car has much more power. But I think setting D might be the one which will give me that. But I'm a bit paranoid about the charge pipe. Right. That sounds different.
Yeah, I thought that. I didn't want to say anything because maybe it's the dash.
Unfortunately, at that point my GoPro 5 completely messed up the sound, so I'm not able to show you the rest of the clip.
I hope you enjoyed this comparison with Dom. So as you could see, we both felt the difference. So the difference we were talking about was A, suspension, B, power, and free braking. Springs, that was a massive difference. Dominic felt like the car with Eibach springs actually felt more comfortable than standard springs, and I actually had that same feeling when I installed them. I think the car behaves completely different. The stock suspension makes it feel wobbly and moving a lot, especially, you know, when you're cornering, the car actually moves, and that actually freaked me out in his car. I felt very unsafe on the road, so there is a big difference, and I really recommend try car with Eibachs and get them, because they are absolutely fantastic. And if you like driving, you know, quicker on a very twisty roads, they will make your car feel so much better. Second change obviously was power, and as I said, at the moment I'm in setting C, which is the default one, so you get that torque increase across the whole range, so it feels very standard. But actually when you move from car with Bluespark to car without it, you actually feel the difference. It's not night and day in setting C, it's not night and day, but you can definitely feel the pull is not as hard, especially in the lower revs, when you're in a 3rd, 4th gear and you just cruising on 2.5 RPMs and you just push it, then you feel the difference. It's with Bluespark it's more instant, I would say, and you definitely feel more pull. I will try setting D, I will. I just didn't have time. We were losing daylight and I just didn't have time to get under the bonnet and change it to D. So next video, I promise you, it will be changed. Then obviously we're down to brakes. He changed his brakes to Ferodo DS2500, and you can definitely feel the difference. I mean, yes, my brakes are old, my pads are old, and they need changing. And I already bought Ferodos for my car, and I will be doing video from the installation of these pads. So thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give it thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye. Woo! That was a big puddle.